For anyone managing their finances, whether personal or for a small business, a clear and accurate record of every transaction is fundamental. GnuCash, as a robust open-source accounting software, excels at keeping these detailed records. However, simply entering transactions is only half the battle. The real power comes from being able to find them efficiently when you need to review, reconcile, or analyze your financial data. As an accounting software expert, I often guide users through the various ways to navigate and search within their financial records. GnuCash offers several intuitive methods to locate specific transactions, ensuring you can always lay your hands on the information you need when you need it. Let's explore these methods, designed to make your financial sleuthing as straightforward as possible. 1. The account register, your primary ledger. The most direct and frequently used way to find transactions in GnuCash is through the account register. Every account you set up in GnuCash, e.g., checking, savings, credit card, utilities expense, income, freelance, has its own dedicated register. How to access? From the main GnuCash window, simply double-click on any account in your account hierarchy. This will open its register, which looks much like a traditional ledger book. What you see: the register displays a chronological list of all transactions that have flowed through that specific account. You'll see columns for date, number, transaction number, description, transfer, the linked account in a split transaction, debit, credit, and balance. Finding transactions here. Scrolling. For recent transactions, simply scroll up or down the register. Sorting. You can click on column headers like date or description to sort the transactions in ascending or descending order. This is incredibly useful if you remember a rough date or a keyword in the description. Visual scan. If you're looking for a payment to a specific vendor, you can often visually scan the description column for common names or patterns. The account register is your go-to for an immediate, detailed view of a single account's activity. 2. The search bar within the register, quick filtering. Once you're in an account register, you'll notice a search bar or filter bar, usually located near the top. This is your first line of defense for quickly narrowing down transactions within that specific account. How to use? Simply type keywords into the search bar. As you type, GnuCash will instantly filter the transactions in the register, showing only those that contain your search terms in the description, number, or transfer fields. Examples: type Starbucks to find all your coffee purchases from Starbucks in that account. Type rent to find all rent payments. Type a specific check number, e.g., 1234, to locate that particular transaction. Benefit: this is incredibly fast for finding transactions within a single account when you have a specific keyword in mind. 3. The Find Transaction window, your global search tool. For more comprehensive searches across all your accounts, the Find Transaction window is an invaluable tool. This is where GnuCash's powerful search capabilities truly shine. How to access? Go to Tools, Find Transaction from the main menu. In older versions, it might be under Edit, Find Transaction. What it offers: this window provides multiple criteria to pinpoint transactions. Text search. Search for text within the description, notes, or transaction number. This is similar to the register's search bar but works across all accounts. Account. Limit your search to specific accounts or types of accounts. This is great if you know the transaction involved. Say your utilities, electricity account but can't remember which bank account it came from. Date range. Specify a start and end date to narrow down your search to a particular period. This is essential for reconciling statements or reviewing quarterly expenses. Amount. Search for transactions within a specific amount range, e.g., between $50 and $100. Type. Filter by transaction type, e.g., deposit, withdrawal. Cleared status. Search for transactions that are cleared, reconciled, or unreconciled. This is particularly useful during the reconciliation process. Benefit. This is the most powerful search tool for finding transactions when you're not sure which account they're in, or when you need to combine multiple search criteria, e.g., all utility payments greater than $100 in Q1 2025. 4. Reports. Summarized views of your data. While not a direct find transaction feature in the same way as the previous methods, GnuCash's extensive reporting capabilities can often help you indirectly locate transactions or identify patterns that lead you to them. How to access. Go to Reports from the main menu, then navigate through the various categories, e.g., income and expense, assets and liabilities, transactions. Relevant reports for finding transactions. Transaction report. This report allows you to generate a detailed list of transactions based on various criteria, accounts, dates, amounts, etc. It's essentially a highly customizable find transaction report that you can save and export. Account reports, e.g., account report. These reports give you a summary of activity for selected accounts over a period, often with drill-down capabilities that can take you directly to the underlying transactions in the register. Income and expense reports. While summarizing totals, if an amount looks unusual, you can often drill down into the report by clicking on a specific category total. This will open a subreport or even the relevant account register, allowing you to see the individual transactions that make up that total. Benefit. Reports are excellent for high-level overviews, identifying trends, and then drilling down into details if an anomaly or specific total catches your eye. Best practices for easy transaction retrieval. To make finding transactions even easier in GnuCash, consider these best practices. Consistent descriptions. Use clear and consistent descriptions for your transactions. Instead of coffee, use Starbucks coffee or local cafe. Utilize number field. If you have check numbers, invoice numbers, or reference numbers, enter them in the number field. This becomes a powerful search criterion. Split transactions effectively. When a single transaction affects multiple accounts, use GnuCash's split feature. This ensures each part of the transaction is accurately categorized and searchable. Regular reconciliation. Reconciling your accounts regularly, matching your GnuCash records to your bank statements, helps you identify missing or incorrect transactions quickly, rather than having to hunt them down later. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Spend a little time exploring GnuCash's menus and windows. The more comfortable you are with the layout, the quicker you'll find what you're looking for. By leveraging the account registers, the built-in search functions, and the power of reports, GnuCash provides a comprehensive suite of tools to efficiently locate any transaction within your financial data. Mastering these features will empower you to maintain impeccable financial records and gain valuable insights into your money.